Train the muscles, not the joints.
Welcome back to Natural Gallant Bodybuilding, and today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about, do you have to stick to the same rep range within one workout for, say, a body part? So this is something that gets asked by a lot of people a lot of times, and with my workout programs I do specify that if you're doing a certain exercise that you stick to a certain rep range, and if you have to, then maybe you have to lower the weight on the 5th set or 4th set in order to stay within a certain given rep range. But this is just one way of training. It's not necessarily an absolute rule by any means, and what I find myself doing more often than not is that I measure the intensity of my sets in that workout by the first set. How many reps can I get in that first set? And a lot of times I'll just stick with the same weight and do multiple sets afterwards. Now, of course, you can do it this way or do it the other way. Either way works. It's not like one way is wrong. But I do find that just for convenience sake, a lot of times I find myself just sticking to the same weight. So say if I'm doing sets of 225 on the bench and I get 25 reps or something like that, I just stick with the same weight. Even if my reps go down to 15 reps or 10 reps after, you know, 6 or 7 sets or whatever, I just stick with the same weight just for convenience sake. But a lot of times I find that there is something to be gained from also lowering the weight. It's almost like a glorified strip set over multiple sets. So you're getting deeper and deeper levels of fatigue in some of those endurance fibers when you're doing those high reps by lowering the weight, because you're continually able to stay in that same rep range by lowering the weight. So both ways will give you some great results, and it's good to go back and forth. You don't have to stick to one way or the other. Sometimes I get lazy and I just stick to one way and I just stick with the same weight, but I can see the advantage also to lowering weight at times as well, because it does take you deeper into those levels of failure. A lot of times after you've done a few sets with a certain given weight, sometimes you have nervous system fatigue. Sometimes your nervous system's actually hitting fatigue, and it's not necessarily the muscles as much, or sometimes it's the energy system, whatever it might be. And by lowering the weight, you may actually be giving the nervous system a little bit of a break and then pushing those muscles deeper into failure. So again, try this out. Try both methods out and have fun with them and alternate from workout to workout. And I think you're gonna see some good results from that. So yeah, when you're using my workout program, you don't have to stick with the same weight. If you don't want to, you can lower the weight to stay in the same rep range. But the main thing is you can measure the intensity of a given weight based on the rep range you can get in that first given set. I hope this clears it up for you as far as what I do in my training and stuff like that. Man, this shit's wet. Oh, Slash, I can't believe the shit I go through to make you guys videos. Ugh. Do you deserve it? I don't think you guys deserve it. But whatever, right? This is what I do. I make you pretty videos, show you all the clouds. And then you don't subscribe. You don't share my stuff, and then you wonder why I throw myself off the mountain one day. You wonder why. I mean, it's not really a surprise. I'm out of here. I'm just gonna leave you guys here. That's it, I'm done. That's it, I'm done. Here I go again on my own. Down, down, down the lonely, lonely, lonely road I've known. Something like that. I can't remember the lyrics exactly, but you get the point. You get the point. That's pretty good, eh? I'm a good actor. Like, Mickey Rourke's got nothing on me. I had you totally convinced. Stop crying. Stop crying. And thanks a lot for watching. If you need to get a hold of me, just go to naturalgallantbodybuilding.com. And thanks to the patron supporters, and take care for now. Mountain, lake, snow. Lots of it. Wow.